Okay. See anyone else?
I think there's one more. Yeah, one more. Inside. Right next to the bottom of the stairs. Inside of it though.
Okay. Back left. Sorry. I forgot we're doing the card game. Yeah, we gotta do it before they respawn. Clear? One coming out of spawn. Two in spawn. Two more going to it. Cover me. Cover me.
Watch bottom right.
Yeah, go back to spawn, grab another card.
Yeah, watch bottom of castle.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna shoot them in spawn.
Did you see what I...
Yeah, yes.